Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update from State Bank of India for engineers. Yes, so let's check it out. The official website of the SBI Bank. Here you can see they mention here the current openings. In that one you can see recruitment of specialist cadre officers on regular basis. Apply online from 22nd November to the 12th December. So here it is showing you the option for applying. When you will click here, you can just it will show you the apply online option also. Okay, and you can see here the detailed advertisement. So let's check it out, the detailed advertisement first of all. So this vacancy is for the assistant manager engineer. I will tell you here the last date of filling is 12th December. Okay, this is the official website where you can go and you can just fill the form for online application. They mention a few details also here ki you need to fill the deposit amount also before applying, means before the last date 12th. Candidates are not allowed to apply for more than one post. Now let's check it out, the more details, important details. So which is details of the post: assistant manager engineer civil, assistant manager engineer electrical, assistant manager engineer fire. They mention detail of post, grade, vacancy, age and place of posting. Grade will be JMGS1. Number of vacancies in the civil 42, in electrical 25, in fire 101. While the upper age limit in civil and electrical is 30 years and in fire it is 40 years. Okay, they are having some backlog vacancies also. I think backlog vacancy is only one, which is in civil. Place of posting anywhere in the India, they clearly mention here. Okay, let's come to the more details. Important points: reservation for the PWBD candidates is horizontal and it's included, they mention here. Posting, placement, utilization of the selected candidate will be done at the sole discretion of the bank also. Relaxation according to the rules of Government of India, you can check this one. Okay. You can see these general instruction. Please read out these instructions. Now guidelines, they mention here how to apply. Okay, and if I'm going with this one, yeah. So details of education, qualification or work experience wherever it is required. So basic qualification is required and work experience. So basic qualification for assistant manager engineer civil is bachelor degree in civil engineering with minimum 60% marks. Okay. Essential qualification is work experience. Minimum 2 years of experience in construction, maintenance of multi-story commercial. So they required experience also, but in this specific case. Okay, in this specific segment, they mention here composite means total work experience before and after stipulated qualification. Okay, so if you are having suppose before or in between your engineering degree and after the degree, then also you can include that one. Specific skills, they did not mention here anything. While in the assistant manager electrical, bachelor degree is required in electrical engineering with minimum 60% marks. Minimum 2 years of experience is required in installation, handling and maintenance of all electrical equipments like UPS, generator, energy saving devices, starter, motors, whatever it is mentioned, they required in this specific segment only the experience. Okay, specific skill not required here. For assistant engineer, assistant manager engineer fire, they required B in fire, B Tech in safety and engineering, fire technology. So please check this one also. Okay, and then essential is there and specific is also mentioned there. Okay, and if I will go to this one, they mention details of the brief job profile. So KRA they mention here what the job profile will be there: timely completion of construction projects, interior renovation work. So you need to check these KRAs also. Okay, job profile. Before applying the form, you should read each and every detail, bacho, so that only you will have clarity ki acha, this type of job I will get after selection. Now, what is the selection procedure and remuneration? So, selection procedure, they will have some written test, I will tell you. Remuneration, they mention here for assistant manager, engineer, civil, electrical and fire, grade is same. So, basic pay is also 48,480 to this basic pay they are having. Okay. So, which they are having lots of the benefits also, salary and perks as per the bank's salary structure. Okay. Selection procedure is based on the online written test and interaction. So in which one? In civil and electrical, this is based on the online written test. For the fire, this is shortlisting and interaction directly. Okay. They mention even the details of the online written test. Also, online written test will be conducted tentatively in the month of the January 25. Okay. The call letter of the test will be uploaded on the bank's website and also advised to candidates through SMS and emails also. Okay. And they mention the centers also. The test may be held at the Amravati, Guwahati. You need to check all these centers first of all before filling the form also. Okay. Candidate should choose the name of the center where he she desire to appear in the examination. No change in the choice of examination center will be entertained. That's why I'm telling you, please read the nearest center, what is available for you if you are filling this form. Pattern of online examination: general aptitude, test of reasoning, quantitative aptitude and English will be there. 50, 35, 35 questions will be there. Marks will be 50, 35, 35. Duration is 90 minutes. And after that, professional knowledge will be there. If you are from civil, then they will ask you question from the civil or electrical engineering, as the case may be. Number of questions 50, marks 100, duration is 45 minutes. Okay. So qualifying in nature and marks score will not be recognized for the arriving at the merit. Okay. There will be no negative marking for wrong answers in online written examination. Okay. Then except professional knowledge PK paper they mention here, so you need to read this one also. To be eligible for being shortlisted for the interaction, the candidate have to score equal to or above the cutoff marks decided by the bank also. Okay. Weightage they mention here, written test is 70% and interviews 30% weightage. Okay. And then they will make the final merit list and then the shortlisting process will be there. So selection process for the post of the shortlisting and interaction. This is for the fire. After that, you will get the call letter and all the things they mention here. Okay. How to apply? Yeah, here they mention how to apply. Candidate should have valid email ID which should be kept active till the declaration of the result. It will him or her in getting call letter, interview, advice, etc. So candidate will be required to register themselves in this online website first of all. Then you need to pay the application fees and intimation charges, which is non-refundable. 750 rupees you need to pay here. Okay. For SC, ST, PWD candidates, no fees is there. After that, you need to fill the form. Candidate should first scan. They mention every step here. What you need to do, you need to scan the form, their latest photograph, online application form. Then you need to fill and your signs also required. Right. So this is the thing you can see, bacho, before applying the form. How to upload document, they mention. So every detail is mentioned here, how to apply. This is a 13 pages PDF, so it will be very tough to complete each and every point here, but I'm trying to cover major things, so I'm repeating here. They mention here how to apply also. Okay. So I'm covering again the important thing. The last date is 12th December. If you think you want to work here, if you are from the BE BTech in civil or electrical engineering, and if you are having the enough or required work experience, then surely, dear students, you can apply here. Stay connected to IMS GATE Academy YouTube channel for more such type of updates. Thank you.